All right, we're on week 3 on Tuesday. So you'll have a Google Meet with Senora Castillo today. Orange class at 12:15, yellow class at 12. And then this is where the video will go with the day's activities. The review is always optional. We go ahead and click next. We've got our vocabulary. So I have a video. So remember, this window for whatever reason gets small. So you can go ahead and just make that bigger. Just by grabbing this corner right here, there's some lines, and you can make that bigger, and that helps. I don't know why it is that way. There's not a way for me to fix it that I'm aware of. So you're going to watch the video of me teaching the vocabulary. There's the vocabulary words here. They're going to read Boris and Cloris, which is right here. So that just is the text that has their vocabulary words. So we'll go ahead and read that. Then you can go back here. We're back here. So we watched the video. We have the vocabulary, we read Boris and Cloris, and then you can do the Kahoot. Have them put their name or a nickname there. I did it a little differently than they did last time. And then this is the Kahoot link if the one above isn't working, and then they're going to complete the quiz. So remember, you can either select yes or no, and it'll still let you move on. So when you hit take the quiz, you still have to scroll all the way down. So did you watch the vocabulary video? Yes or no? Did you read Boris and Cloris? Yes or no? And then did you play the Kahoot? Yes or no? So no matter what your answers are, you can go ahead and submit the quiz. And then it'll tell you what your score is. And if you did select no, it'll say go back and read it for full credit. So maybe you accidentally did that, and so then you want to go back and take the quiz again. So that way you can be like, oh no, I really did do that. Or maybe you're just like, I don't care. That's not something that we're going to do today. That's totally fine. But I'm just trying to help guide you. If that is something that you want to do and you accidentally missed it, you can do it that way. So then you'll go ahead and click next. Then this is going to be their first read with their assignment. So instead of going to Pearson Realize, that option is still available, but you can either log into Pearson Realize just like normal and click the link, and then go to Horace Morris, but mostly Dolores on page 296, and then on the online student edition, so that'll still be on Pearson, or your child can just listen to the video. So I have it embedded. It's a YouTube video, so if you have YouTube blocked, that would be a problem, but they can just play it and it's going to read them the story. And then you're just going to submit the assignment. So remember, the submit button is up here, so they'll have to click that. But all they're doing is writing the characters are these people, and the setting is what is or are what. So you can either take a picture, write it on paper and take a picture of it. You can type it in the text box, or you can record it. So again, you'll just click up here. Go ahead and click submit assignment. If you want to upload like a picture, this is where you're going to do it. In the file upload, you'll just choose your file and then go ahead and upload it that way. So that's if you write it. If you're going to do a video, I'd prefer that you do this video instead of something different, just because this always shows up really easily. But if you upload a file, some of the videos don't work. I'll give you credit if you submit it that way anyway. I just sometimes can't see it. So you can either write it here or type it for your child, or this is where if you click this button, you record or upload media. If you click that, it'll come up with a record. You'll just have to hit allow, and then you can record and just submit it right there, which is really easy. So characters are Boris and Boris. So there's that. And then you'll hit submit assignment, and that'll allow you to move on. So once that's done, you will click next. And then same thing today, we'll have the Nearpod. You can download the worksheet and print it out if you'd like. Totally up to you. So you can just open and print it out. It'll be the same exact questions as in the Nearpod. So if you want, you can print it out, have them do it, and then just take a picture and put it on the first page of the Nearpod. So again, you'll just click on the Nearpod. You'll click join session. You'll go through it just like normal. And then when you get here, you'll just press this. Go ahead and upload your image, so browse your files, and then you'll click the page that you just take a picture of, and you can upload it that way. Or you can do it the same way and just do it problem by problem, just on a piece of paper. That's totally fine too. Or you can have them do it on here. So whatever you prefer. Because it's measurement, there's not as much writing to do like it was on the number line, so it's a little bit easier. So totally up to you, whatever is easiest. It doesn't matter to me. The only thing I ask is, so if you were to upload the whole page on this first one, the one thing I'll want you to do, so you'll go and you'll see me do it with them. And then just on the rest of the slides, if you could just do a big P that just says that you did it on the paper. So then that way it shows up as you still did the whole Nearpod. So you could just do a big P right here. And then make sure you do the poll. Let's see, this one's a little bit longer. This one's five spots, but you're just filling in a small blank. And then this is the 5th one. So I already uploaded that on that first page because I just did it all on the one. And then they'll go through and correct it. And then I just need to see kind of where they're at with this poll. So that helps me that they, even though they uploaded the paper on the first one, they still went through and corrected it. And then I can kind of see how they feel here. And then make sure you just click submit. And then it'll ask you to answer the poll. So then they can just click X. They can mark it as done. And then you can go ahead and click next. This is an optional review. Again, if the embedded one doesn't work, you can click the link here. But then you've got your review worksheet right here. And then make sure they hand in work so they can see their score. And then take the quiz at the end that either says, yes, I did this, or no, I did not. So remember, you click it and you have to scroll down. So yes, I did, submit the quiz. And that'll let you move on. Go ahead and click next, and you are on Wednesday's work.